Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on YGG token. As in my so many previous videos, I have been showing you that YGG has formed a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And I've been telling you that once YGG will break out this wedge, this was the wedge by the way. Now we are on the live 7 days time frame chart, and I was telling you that we can, after the breakout, expect a very massive pump. And if I place this measurement tool, then you can see that after the breakout. By the way, from this low to here, so far it has rallied more than 1,433%. But here we got a very long-term resistance on that starts from $1.80. That was the point of rejection in the month of March 2024. And this resistance on goes to $2.20. That was previously breaking as a support here for several weeks from the month of January 2022 up till the month of March 2022. This is a complete support and resistance zone, and now it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And after this more than 1,400% pump, the price line is rejected. And recently, on a daily time frame chart, YGG has broken out another down channel. And after breakout, it is not able to break this long-term resistance of 60 cents for the past several days or weeks. It is getting rejected by this resistance. At the same time, YGG has also formed another pattern. This is the rising wedge formation. Here we have the uptrend line support, and this is the resistance. And now the movement is getting squeezed inside this bed. Therefore, we can expect that soon it can break this pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for YGG that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 15% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for YGG that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that YGG completed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this is a complete trade signal. The buying's on and the sell target's on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target line. This was almost 15% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of YGG, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this rising wedge pattern. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection. Then we had several touch points here. Then we got several rejections once again. Then we had another bounce here, rejection here. And now the movement is getting squeezed inside this rising wedge pattern. Therefore, at any time, it can break this pattern. And this is basically a bearish fast move. Therefore, there are chances that the price can break it down. But we have also broken out this very big and long-term down channel. Therefore, the price can also break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. However, if it breaks it down, then technical target to the downside will be here at the bottom of the wedge at 30 cents. And over there, we have a quite long-term support. And in case of breaking out the resistance, the technical target for the breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $1.07. And the technical target for the breakout from this previous down channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $1.80. And by the way, from $1.80 to $2, we have a very strong and long-term resistance. Now we are switched to the 7 days time frame chart, and here you can see that when we broke out this wedge in the month of July 2023, after that we had a very powerful short rally, but the price was rejected by this resistance of $1.80, and this resistance goes to $2.20. And therefore, now after the breakout from this channel, there is a probability that the price may try to break out this resistance on once again. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That can be approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.